Could you say thank you to Auntie Ruru?
Thank you, Auntie Ruru.
Do you love your new present?
Yeah.
Okay, show her how you do it. Show her how you do the puzzle. Which one is that one? Faces? Do you want to say, I miss Elma?
I love you.
Do you miss Elma?
I love Naomi.
You're Naomi.
I am.
Do you love Elmo?
You.
Is he your baby cousin?
Yeah. He's my baby cousin.
What's his name?
Baby cousin.
Baby cousin Elmo?
Yeah.
How about Uncle Aaron?
Yeah.
He's Elmo's daddy?
Yeah.
Is Ruru's prince?
Yeah.
Is my brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say I love you, Aaron.
I love you.
Say, blow kisses and say bye. Bye.